Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to match strings between two different single characters. In this case, let's start with matching strings between square brackets. In order to match an open square bracket, we type a backslash and an open square bracket, because it is a special regex meta character. And if we don't escape it, it will mark the start of a character class. Next, we might try to use a dot and asterisk pattern to match any 0 or more characters other than line break characters, as many as possible. And then we type a close square bracket. What we observe is that this pattern overmatches. It matches too much. In order to make it stop before the first close square bracket, we can use a lazy quantifier. That is, we add a question mark after the asterisk. Now it's much better. Look, we have expected matches in the first line. In the second line, we see that we actually match one or more open square brackets. If we don't want this, we can use a negated character class instead of the lazy dot pattern. In order to create a negated character class, we use the square brackets as usual, then we use the caret symbol, and then we put close and open square brackets inside and add a quantifier, in this case an asterisk. It will match 0 or more characters other than open and square brackets. Note that in some regex flavors you will still need to escape these characters inside the negated character class. And now you can see that we match the innermost strings between two square brackets. Note, if we want to extract those substrings in between the brackets, we can use a capturing group, and you can see your code in the code generator page. Now, if you want to match strings in between round brackets, you can change the square brackets with round brackets. Don't forget to escape the trailing round bracket, because if you don't do it, you'll have an invalid regex pattern. It is just because this is a special regex meta character and it must be escaped when used outside of character classes. If you want to match strings in between angle brackets, just use angle brackets instead of round brackets. And do not escape anything, because angle brackets are not special regex meta characters. You don't have to escape them. Now you can see the explanation of the pattern on the right. You can read more about the regex constructs used in this video using the links below. And if you like my video, click like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Happy regexing!